Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a video on software-defined radio, and this time we're going to learn how to hack my vehicle using HackRF and Universal Radio Hacker. Universal Radio Hacker is a software that I use most of the time. People use this. So what I'm going to do a replay attack, which means I'm going to record what my key fob is sending using my HackRF, and I'm going to use my HackRF to replay this. So I know this is a Japanese vehicle, so it's operating at 315 megahertz. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have my HackRF, which is connected, is powered on. I'm going to record the signal and try to replay it. I'm going to actually record 5 bursts. There was a reason for it. I read a paper and I watched a talk on Black Hat 2022 where they have done this thing where you have to do sometimes 2 bursts, 3 bursts, or even 5 bursts. So I'm going to try doing 5 bursts, and this seems to work for this particular vehicle. We're good to go. So after that, I'm just going to simply hit play, and I'm going to hit unlock 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. And I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to save this. I'm going to call it test 8. And I'm going to save this. Once I save this, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to try to do a replay attack. So I'm going to lock my vehicle now, because by pressing the button I actually unlocked it. So by pressing a lock button, the car is unlocked now, and we'll have a look at it. The car is indeed locked. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a simple replay attack. I'm going to just simply play this, and I'm going to see what happens. Oh, here we go. My car is unlocked. Wow. I'm going to stop this now. I'm going to show you that my car is indeed unlocked. I will go here, I will take my key, I will lock it again. I'll show you this one more time, and indeed it is locked. And then I'm going to do a replay attack. I'm going to go here, I'm going to hit play, and stop this. I'm going to hit play. So I'm going to redo it again. Play. Device identifier. I'm going to hit play. And let's see what happens. Here we go. There we go. As you can see, this is unlocked now. So let me just close this. Let me just show you one more time. Let me lock this. There we go. So this is how you're going to unlock your vehicle. I hope you find this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.